Bokundo of Tinungay to get medical treatment at Jenims Imphal. Home Minister Amit Shah chair meeting of NEC in Guwahati. .4 magnitude earthquake hits southwest China. 1 person killed, 30 hurt. Hello, good afternoon. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. I am Maria Pangamam. Let's have the news in details. BJP workers of Bisnupur constituency under the supervision of social worker Salam Jivan handed over Chief Minister Gihaksel Gitengbang card to one Laisram Bokundo of Tinungay Mayay. Bokundo has remained bedridden for a long time due to a serious illness and has not been getting medical attention owing to poor financial condition of his family. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will visit Assam to hold a meeting with governors and chief minister of the 8 northeastern states. The Home Minister is scheduled to attend the Northeastern Council on September today and tomorrow. He will also review the situation in the state in the wake of the publication of the final NRC. Amit Shah's visit comes days after the publication of controversial NRC list. The National Register of Citizens or NRC had left out over 19 lakh people. Ahead of Mr. Shah's visit, Assam has once again been declared as disturbed area for 6 months. During his 2-day visit, the Home Minister will hold a meeting of the Northeastern Council or NEC and is likely to review the situation in the state after the publication of the NRC. He will also attend a meeting of the BJP-led Northeast Democratic Alliance tomorrow. The NEC is the top advisory body of the development in the Northeast and for facilitating effective coordination among the member states. This is also Amit Shah's first visit to the Northeastern state after becoming the Home Minister. Earlier this year, Shah, who had described illegal immigrants as termites, had said earlier this year while campaigning for the national election that the party was committed to throw out infiltrators from across the country. Many BJP leaders, however, have raised concern over a large number of Bengali Hindus being left out of the NRC. Top BJP leaders in Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, made it clear that he did not think the NRC will be effective in removing illegal immigrants. A 5.4 magnitude earthquake struck the city of Nejiang in Sichuan province early today. The earthquake injured around 30 people. Chinese state TV is reporting that an earthquake in the country's southwest has killed 1 person and injured another 29. The government's earthquake monitoring center says the 5.4 magnitude earthquake struck the city of Nejiang in Sichuan province early Sunday. The casualties were reported by China Central Television, which gave no other details of the death or injuries. Mahurat of Manipuri feature film Arun Bawari was held at Kombire Inn today. The film stars Bala, Susma, Maya Chaudhary and Silhaiba. The film is directed by O.C. Mehra. All Manipur Muslim Meitei Pangal Welfare Association, Imphal, in association with School Management Committee of Anita Standard High School, Kapkwakta, today jointly organized International Literacy Day 2019 at the school premises. Scholars who attended the program said education system across the world need to provide the basic training required for children and working adults so that they can learn to read and write. And education is not simply about achieving a higher state of knowledge, but it is also required for the overall development of the society, they stated. Let's take a short break here. Stay tuned.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong. Yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana Kangla gi no food item singi mahok khangla bada ngauroi do kana bu leibagi.
Kangla.
Welcome back. Directorate of Environment and Climate Change in association with Phayeng Gram Panchayat conducted a mass medicinal tree plantation program at Phayeng today. The event was held with a mission to sensitize local women folk on responsibility for preservation of nature by reducing environmental degradation and control health hazards. As a part of the event, medicinal saplings were planted near every residential gate of Phayeng. In connection to Gynecological Cancer Awareness Month, a free gynecological screening and awareness program was conducted today by Gynecological Oncology Unit of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JANIMS Porompat, in association with the Department of Pathology, JANIMS Trained Nurse Association of India, Manipur State Branch and BBCI.
Cancer gi matangda cancer cervical cancer gi matangda awareness piraga detect tongnabi adugumba na dringaida kamaina kalhogadage du na agana khoi kaidogadage adagi akhoina kari kari nupi singsina section thorang lokhotpa darkar oigibage habado adugi matangda kam pangthoksabani.
Police personnel, civil society organization and Mayra Paibi members who had extended help in bringing justice for late Assam Premila Devi, who was found brutally murdered at Mahadeva Hill of Kaching in 2012, were felicitated yesterday at the Wabagai Educational Sporting Club ground. The event was organized by JSC against the brutal killing of Kaisam Premila Wabagai, during which Ima El Memchobi of Poire Lemerol, President of UCM Sunil Karam and President of COHR Funildro Konsam were present. Nongdam Sanglen Pakhangba Lining Call performed the 41 Langban Chera Tamba ritual at Komla Inkol in Imphal East District today. Several witnessed the celebration where they offered food items to the departed souls of forefathers and sought blessing from them. Founder of Nongdam Sanglen Pakhangba Lining Call, Ketrimayum Ongbi Chengpi Leima, said Langban Chera Tamba is a historic ritual wherein all the Meiteis offer uncooked food to their forefathers.
Langban Chera Tamba haibadi nung sinaba mari tatanabani imong manung natara ipai pu hohiba kaya masibungo ningsing derabani akhoi ko Langban Chera Tamba matam sida yilei sidaba ichine na ipai pu natara sagai na te mafamda akhoi nu lejaba hayama leyama kacharaga mohoi bu ningsingba ko asina masidi meite akhoi gi tawdaba mak yadarba adumba nung simari tattaba gi makta Mapu mahakna amadi ipai pu layoy kharba kayana akhoi namaktani na thambiram bani bungo.
A one-day orientation program under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao for school management committee members was held yesterday at the conference hall of Royal Academy of Law, Oinam. The event was participated by ZAO John Bisnupur and Tikendrajit, Deputy Inspector, and Ranjit, Principal of Bisnupur Higher Secondary School, Hemabati, and several others. Laimapokpam Public High School, Nambol celebrated Teachers' Day. The event was held to commemorate the birth anniversary of former Indian President, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. At the event, State Teachers Award winner and also the headmistress of the school, Longjam Manglembi, was feted. Another short break, but do stay tuned for more updates.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯅꯥꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯃꯔꯤꯛ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯦꯠ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯟꯇꯤꯇꯤꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡꯕ ꯖ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯔꯤꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯍꯧ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯦꯡꯉꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯀꯨꯞꯄ ꯃꯔꯣꯜꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡꯕ ꯖ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ
Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Manipuri ahanba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahanba oina miyamgidamakta monsoon offer ama pijariba offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package Akupa Morolgidamak contact Tobiu Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959 Natraga 8794613154.
Welcome back. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma formally launched the Silong My Patient campaign at Cliff Colony, Silong. Chief Minister My Patient Silong My Patient is a community-driven initiative for a cleaner and a greener environment. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister termed the initiative as the beginning of the revolution, while stating that the success of the program would largely depend on the commitment of each and every individual. Lauding the efforts of various organizations, institutions, local bodies and individuals which have been engaged in keeping the environment and surrounding clean, the Chief Minister said that the Silong My Patient will provide a common platform for citizens to connect to the cause of a cleaner environment in the state.
Become stakeholders in this. There will be different training programs that will be organized at different levels to allow and let the Rangbashnong's localities, institutes know what they can do, how they can be of help, how to segregate the garbage. And this movement will go down all the way to the household level, where segregation of garbage will be taking place at the grassroots level and at the household level. So that is the kind of program that we're having, and it's much more than that, but it will take me a lot of time to explain the program.
The CM also stated that sustained efforts are needed on the part of every individual to bring change and exhorted everyone to be more proactive. It is the responsibility of every individual to work towards the larger goal of keeping cities, towns, villages, river and water bodies clean and pollution-free. The Chief Minister spoke at length on the concept of reduce, reuse and recycle and also said that in the era of market and consumption-driven economy, there is a strong need to balance economic growth with ecological sustainability. Referring to the presentation of the Municipal Board on Waste Segregation and Management, the Chief Minister said that the government will initiate training and sensitization programs across the state in a phase-wise manner.
It is very important that the single-use plastic must be banned completely. Number two, we should completely stop the usage of plastic in whatever way possible. Like for example, in my office, if you come, there is no plastic bottles. You will never find plastic bottles there. We avoid plastic files. So therefore, in your day-to-day life, I urge and encourage all citizens of the state to not use plastic in the normal process of their day. Yes, there are certain things which we need plastic in, but wherever it is not required and it can be avoided, I would urge every citizen to avoid the use of plastic.
4 members of District Council of the United Democratic Party in Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council joined the BJP in Silong last evening according to the reports. In this regard, BJP's Meghalaya in charge Nalin Kohli said the joining of MDCs to BJP from parties that are part of the coalition Meghalaya Democratic Alliance's government in the state would not have any conflict. Noted jurist Ram Jethmalani passed away today at the age of 95. Ram Jethmalani breathed his last at 7:45 a.m. at his official residence in New Delhi. As per reports, Ram Jethmalani breathed his last at 7:45 a.m. at his official residence. His son Mahesh Jethmalani told his news agency PTI, adding that his father had not been keeping well for a few months. Mahesh Jethmalani said his father's last rites will be performed on Sunday evening at the Lodi Road crematorium. Jethmalani's son Mahesh and other close acquaintances said he was not keeping well for a few months. He passed away a few days before his 96th birthday on September 14. Political leaders from across the country paid tribute to veteran lawyer and former Union Minister Ram Jethmalani, who died at his residence in Delhi this morning. He was 95. President Ram Nath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid their tribute to the legal veteran, with Prime Minister Modi remembering Mr. Jethmalani's fortitude and fight for public liberties during the emergency years of 1975-1977. President Ram Nath Kovind expressed sadness over Ram Jethmalani's passing, adding that he was known for his expression of views on public issues with characteristic eloquence. He asserted that the nation has lost a distinguished jurist, a person of great erudition and intellect. Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted, "India has lost an exceptional lawyer and iconic public figure who made rich contribution both in the court and parliament." China's trade with the United States shrank by double digits in August as the two sides prepare for trade talks with no sign of progress toward ending a worsening tariff war that threatens global economic growth. As per reports, imports of U.S. goods fell 22.5% from a year earlier to $10.3 billion following Chinese tariff hikes and orders to companies to cancel orders, custom data shows Sunday. Exports to the United States, China's biggest market, sank 16% to $44.4 billion. Before we wrap up the bulletin, now the newspaper headlines.
Disangai Express, quest for change of leadership. Amit Shah calls rebels, loyalists to Guwahati. STD CM set to intensify campaign for ST status. Drug worth crores seized from different places. CM leaps Imphal for NEC session. MP bats of early solution. Said state of affairs, says Haisi. The People's Chronicle. Setback to Moon mission as link with land loss. LPG bullet tanker drivers cease service. Hard work key to sustained development. Medical financial assistance for scraps distributed. The Morning Bell. Despite CM assurance, STD CM reiterates stand to go ahead with steer. Minister Biswajit addresses NE Student Festival in Delhi. Urges students to represent NE in right light. Reposting of Armstrong Pame as Tamenglong DC opposed. Rally halt, railway works halted. Babisna JSC appeals CM to ensure CBI proof. Ziribam police confiscates psychotropic drugs worth rupees 2.04 crore. This Sunday, first day of no school bag day starts with mixed response. Poultry farmers urge government to prohibit poultry imports. Two from state to take part in Delhi Geneva peace march. Arrested ST demands committee members release. Committee resolved to continue agitation still demands is fulfilled. CONE organized camps on hepatitis C.
Now the news headlines. The headlines. Bedridden Bokundo of Kinungai to get medical treatment at Jennings Imphal. Home Minister Amit Shah chair meeting of NEC in Guwahati. .4 magnitude earthquake hit southwest China. 1 person killed, 30 hurt. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.